Hi everyone, Pragati here. Welcome back to my video. In this video I want to share with you how you can use the bank's money, the debt or the loan from the bank to make money for yourself to become wealthy. Here's a scenario. Now you buy a property at £150,000 which is 20 to 30% below market value. Okay, and it's below market value because the property is not in a spectacular condition, so the property needs some work doing, and that's why you've got the deal below market value buying at 150,000. Now because there is some work to be done in the property, an estimated cost of 20,000 has been put towards the maintenance or the refurbishment of the property. By doing this, because you're putting now 25% deposit or a down payment of 150,000, your total outlay is 57,500. So that's the money that you've actually used towards purchasing the property. Now that you've done the work, you've spent £20,000 roughly into the property, and the new value of the property, the market value of the property now is 225,000. Now this figure, I'm giving you this figure because I've done it myself, so I know this is very much possible. It's possible even better than this, but this is a very average, very down to earth figures, which is very much possible. So the new value of the property is 225,000, and now you get 75% loan, 75% mortgage from the lenders back to you. So it's 75% of 225,000 is 168,750 to be precise. Now out of this money you do have to pay your previous mortgage, the previous mortgage of 150,000, which is 112,500. So once you pay that money off from the new mortgage that you've got, you left with 56,250 to be precise. Now your initial outlay was 57,500, and after remortgaging and refurbishing the property you are now getting 56,250, almost very much similar to how much you've actually initially spent. So in a way you've got most or all of your money back. To consider other costs on this one are your solicitor costs, your mortgage advisor's fees, or any mortgage product fees that might have applied. So these are additional costs which I haven't put into consideration. But doing something like this, what you've got now is you got all or most of your money back. You've got your property that is growing in value and it's maintenance free for a few years because you've recently done up the property. So the property is growing in value, plus it's going to be virtually maintenance free. And finally you've got a cash flowing property because you're going to rent the property out, and after paying the mortgages you should be cash flowing about £300 average from a deal like this. So this is how you can use a bank's money or the mortgage to make money for yourself. Now there's lots of other little details to this one. It's not as easy as it sounds. You will find a lot of videos in other YouTube channels, about how you can, make money from property by refinancing. It's called, buy, refurbish, refinance. But in my book, Financial Freedom for Immigrants, I've explained in a very basic way on how this model works and how, the things that you should be careful about when you're doing this particular strategy. So you're more than welcome to purchase the book if you like. I'll put a link here at the bottom of the video, so please feel free to do that, and hopefully you understand and get a gist of how this is using banks' money to build wealth and passive income for yourself. You get the gist of that from this particular video, and all the best, and I will see you on the next video.